What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk about building out multiple streams of passive income. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So multiple streams of income or passive income. There's loads of ways you can do this. Now I'm going to break down a few different ways or show you my income streams because I currently have 4 of them, and anybody can do this. It just takes a little bit of time and effort. So my first income stream, my passive income stream, is selling low content books. This is one of the main things that I do. I do this over on Amazon because you can do this literally for free. So you create the interiors of these books, you create the covers, you upload them to Amazon for free as well through KDP. Then every time your book sells, Amazon's going to print it on demand and then send you royalties at the end of every month. Now, since I've been doing this income stream, I've nearly made $8,000 in royalties. That's not revenue, that is royalties. That's what I take home. And this was done practically completely for free, and it's completely passive. Now I do work every day on this business, but only a couple of hours. Now if you want to know more about this business model, then you can check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This will take you step by step on everything I did to get those results, and anybody can do this. And I literally mean anybody. I have students who didn't have any skills whatsoever, yet they've been able to make royalties from selling their books through Amazon KDP. So this is one of my favorite income streams that anybody can build out. It's just going to take a little bit of time to get you making a decent chunk of change. See, as you can see, I started in November. I only had a few books, I only had a few books and made a few dollars. And then as you can see, I've had some pretty good months. This was my best month because I had a Valentine's Day notebook really take off. But if you're interested in this business model, then go through and check out the Printing Profits course. You can even get there by going to printingprofits.com. So another one that you can build out, and you can do it practically for free, is a YouTube channel. Now, to upload the videos to YouTube is completely free. You just need to find your niche, then create a lot of helpful content in the form of videos. Then, once you've started getting traction, getting subscribers, building your following, there's lots of different ways that you can monetize that following. And I'm going to show you a couple of them in a second and what I do myself. So building a YouTube channel is one of the best things that you can do because you also get ad revenue. So that's one income stream you can do from creating a following on YouTube. So if we go here and take a look, these are my payments from Google AdSense just from having ads on my videos. Now it's not a lot, this is just a little income stream for me, but nevertheless it's still money that I get every month. And as you can see, each month it's been growing month over month. So the first month when I was able to monetize, I got £62, then £75, then £115, and then this month is going to be 132. So this is all compounding on top of each other and is growing every month. And as well, it's very passive because I could have a video that I upload today which could go on to make money further down the line. So that's one income stream that you can do just from YouTube. The second one is to create a course around the topic which your following is in, or the niche. So let's go over to here. I now have a course which you probably saw a couple of minutes ago, which I said, the Printing Profits course. And this has made me, since I started, and I only started with this course on the 15th of January, this has made over $12,000 from one course. And this is practically all traffic just from the YouTube channel. So that's the second way that you can actually create another income stream just from YouTube. See, having that following is really, really important, because there's so many ways, multiple different ways that you can create income once you've built that following. So that's my second when it comes to YouTube. The third way is affiliate marketing. Now, I don't do much affiliate marketing. I do a little bit here and there when I find a product that really fits my audience. So this is Puzzle Book Mastery. I purchased this myself to try it out, and I was really happy with the software. This software creates puzzles for you, and then you have to create a cover, and then you can upload it to Amazon with the low content book way, and then you have puzzle books which can create you an income. So I really liked this product, so I recommended it to my following. Now, my following is in my Facebook groups and my YouTube channel and my email list. So I promoted this to my audience because it matches my audience, and then I was able to get affiliate commissions in the process. And as you can see, that's $787, and this was just over a week ago. So this is another way to create multiple streams of income. That's affiliate marketing. So that's my 4 sources of income, or passive income. Now, to do all this is really easy, but again, most of it comes down to building that following. Now, I am going to do some videos over the next few weeks about building a following and all that stuff that comes along with it, because I think it could really help some of you out. I think, me personally, building out this StackinProfit brand is the best thing I have ever done. Now, you're probably thinking, that's great, Paddy, but I don't want to build out a brand. I just want to create passive income. Well, the best thing you can do is low content book publishing over on Amazon, because you don't have to build out a brand. You don't have to do customer support. You literally just create books, upload them, then when they sell, Amazon's going to send you royalties. So this is one of the best ways that you can do this. If you want to check it out, go to printingprofits.com with no G. I also have a new way that I am starting to learn more about when it comes to passive income, and that is niche websites. You don't need to build a following or anything like that, but you can create passive income over time, either building these niche websites or purchasing already cash producing niche websites. So I plan on bringing some more videos out about that. I brought one out a couple of days ago. If you haven't seen it, I will link it in the description down below so you can go and check that out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.